about how can you find your inventory on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you scrolling down here until you will find inventory here, just click on it. When you click here on inventory, so then it's going to take you to accept here. It's going to show for you like this. Just switching to open with you here. So then here can you select your category here in this list here. So then here subcategory here, can you select it in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.